So VR-8, this is one of our larger 5-axis machines. HSK spindle. Show the machine, not me. People don't want to look at me. I don't want to look at me. So much larger and more robust version than that VR-5 that we saw, BT30 on that machine. This is an HSK 63 spindle, dual support on both sides of the head. Large travels, again, large rectangular parts is what this machine's good for. So other things to point out on this machine, if we come around to the side here.
Yep.
So we're air cutting, come on in. But chip washdown on this machine over here. So get down there you go. So you can't see this in some of the other machines we're going to go look at, but we're including this type of chip washdown. Again, flush the chips off the weight covers in the back, down into the pan, and then get it down into the auger trough.
Which
here.
other machines can I get that on, Scott?
It's going to be on, well, basically all the VFs.
Okay, cool.
But we're just showing it here for the first time. We'll try to get in and show it on the VF 2 and 4 when we get around to the other side of the booth. But this really gives you an idea of the travel and capability of this machine tool. Been really happy with this. We've updated this machine to this dual supported, dual brake size.